cascade the engine in itself. After multiple layers, 1 second on Earth will translate to years in our simulation. And we can leave whenever we want to, right? Of course. Harper, what's the time? 46. We're cutting it close, but we don't have enough time. Steve is going to blow the power at midnight. Once the engine automatically reboots, the image will be thrown into stasis. It should give us maximum power output, hopefully. Circuitry floor. Boys, we're three of you ordered it. We got our sir. And what is it? Maintenance check. And the device. It's a hard drive. Have literally made any name other than hard drive. Go down to the lower level and insert the right partition 11. Meanwhile, we'll get everything set up here and keep it short. You don't have much time. Harper, we are about to calibrate the device in a moment. There isn't much time left. Strap yourself in. I've almost got everything set up. Which preset are you running? The one where you peel potatoes? Splendid. Don't worry, it's just for a moment. I'll pull you out as soon as I get them in already. Alright, see you in a bit. I don't understand. They managed to translate the nature of consciousness into mathematics and recreate it in a digital interface, yet they use it for this. What even is this? Alright, is the image clear? Yes, the image is clear. Good, I'm setting up the cascade preset now. Warping in 30 seconds. Cascading the engine in itself should exponentially increase the 1.2 factor of time dilation. Our consciousness will be stored in thousands of empty void branches until we reach the final layer. There, we will have all the time in the world to craft our perfect presets. How long did it take you to write the code? I did not write it, I found it. Did it work? Shit, it said, right where each for the keyboard. Why, I can't move. I forgot to disable the automatic. It's spelling us out. It's spelling us out layer by layer. What the hell did you... How many layers deep are we?